In just a few simple steps, you can make the best non-toxic homemade Play-Doh using Morton Fine Sea Salt. Start by adding the all-purpose flour to the pot. Next, add in the cream of tartar and Morton Fine Sea Salt to your pot. Then, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of any cooking oil. Start with 3 and add more if necessary, and mix to combine these ingredients together. Now add in your hot water and turn your stove on a medium heat. Begin mixing until your dough forms into a ball. Remove your Play-Doh from the heat and let it cool slightly before beginning to knead. Knead your dough into balls and add food coloring if desired. Now it's time to play. Don't forget to like and save this video for more fun Morton activities.